weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the specimen were conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly.
Are you serious? You suck.
If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver.
Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm for Southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from
Sussex, New Jersey to Cape May, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Station listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.